Easy scrub first. Just shake it a little bit. It's got this flip top here, which is pretty convenient. And you're just gonna put a little bit on the surface. You don't need much. It's a very loose liquid, so it's not like other scrubs or products out there that might be thick and foamy or require you to add some water to be able to use it. So I'm not scrubbing really hard. I'm putting a little bit of pressure on it, but not much. And I'm just kind of doing little swirls, figure eights, something like that. So this is a product formulated specifically for this task. It's very easy to use. It's very safe to use on most finished surfaces. It is not safe for automotive use. So don't use it on your vehicles, especially the paint or anything like that. But it is safe for stone and other appliances. So this would be good for scrubbing down your stainless steel sink without the risk of scratching it. But do not use it on stainless steel that has the protective clear coat on it. Only on raw stainless. So that already feels a lot better. I'm going to move this stuff over here. And do the other half. So you notice I'm not covering the whole counter with this stuff because you really don't need that much. It might seem like it kind of goes away and the rag is sucking it all up. It's there in the rag. You can use a terry cloth, you can use microfiber, you can use white Scotch-Brite scrubby pads, the non-abrasive kind. If you feel something under your rag, like a little lump of food, just give it a couple extra little scrubs. And once you're satisfied, you're gonna flip the towel over just to remove any remaining film or residue. And that's like scrubbing, deep scrub. That kind of, for you ladies, this is similar to like a scrub, like a facial scrub. Or an emulsifying face scrub. Gentlemen, this is for equivalent to using a clay bar on a car. It picks up all the embedded dirt and soiling and stuff out of the pits of the countertop that would normally not come out under normal cleaning circumstances.